It's true. Anali, take the next one.
So, what does beauty means to you?
I think it's kindness. Even on my worst days, I know my friends will always be there for me. It really is the small thing that count after all.
It's got to be courage.
When I feel brave enough to try new things, that's when I feel my most beautiful.
Honesty? Honesty. It's what beauty means to me. The little moments that keep us together, bringing us closer as friends. As we come together and support each other just like a good bra does. That's what beauty is.